Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix your ELITEBOOK 855 overheating. So, first what we can do is go into the battery right here and in power mode select best power efficiency and you can enable the energy saver. And here that's pretty much it. Now right click on this gray bar at the bottom of your screen, go into a task manager, here open the startup apps and disable the startup apps that you're not currently using. Then I'll show you where the vents of our laptops are, and they are right here. So don't put your laptop on a soft surface like on the sofa cushions or blankets etc, because it may muffle the ventilations. If it's dirty, you can clean it with a compressed air or a soft brush. You can even buy a cooling pad and just lay your laptop on it. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.